This is NuVinAir.
The patented NuVinAir Cyclone generates a powerful water vortex through agitation and delivers a dry, hygienic vapor throughout the vehicle being treated and restores it to pinnacle cleanliness.
The only way to get a new car experience with a pre-owned car is to use NuVinAir and remove the previous owner.
You can literally tell them, when you see this sticker on my vehicle, that means the previous owner has been completely taken out of this vehicle.
These sprays and these masking agents, that is just chemicals and a whole bunch of cover-ups on top of the problem, this will go after it and be gone. So there isn't a coating of oil or chemicals in the vehicle once it's done.
It's just literally putting a battery and a motor on the bottom of the tank, filling it to the line, dropping the tablet in, letting it dissolve and turning it on and setting a timer for 15 minutes. Somebody
that hasn't experienced a NuVinAir Cyclone treatment will get behind the wheel and it feels new, right? The vehicle feels new, the atmosphere feels new. It takes out all the moisture from the ventilation system, which creates that musty smell. So that's gone. Your vehicle feels clean.
Me personally, with my truck, I inherited it from my grandpa. It had a strong smoke smell to it. I changed the cabin filter, treated my car one time, and it's been holding up for a year now. And that smoke smell hasn't come back yet.
If your child got sick in the back seat, the Cyclone is going to remediate some odor, but you still have an issue in the bottom of the seat or in the bottom of the floorboard on the carpet. So that's when we designed ReNuSurface.
It's 96% water, it's eco-friendly, it's safe, it's not infused with a bunch of chemicals and perfume to make things smell. There's no cover-up or masking agent in it. What it will actually do is will bond to all the issues and pull them to the surface.
And also in a very heavy smoked car, it will help you remove the oils and the tobacco toxins that are obviously embedded inside the material of the car.
I like my car to smell good, and I like it to be clean. You know, I've used a lot of air fresheners over the years, but when I saw ReVibeAir and I heard it high-grade essential oils, and I used it, and then my wife stole it, it was amazing. And that's pretty much what sold it for me.
You activate these ReVibeAir bottles or spritzers, and you spritz one spray, and it pretty much lasts all day. And it's pleasing to people, right? Because we're using essential oils. But ReVibeAir, the name, is changing your vibe, not just your scent.
While our product is amazing and works, our service really drives it home by backing them up. And they know they can rely on our product, and they also know that they can rely on us to be there for them.
NuVinAir. Welcome to the future of clean driving.